How to get a Microsoft 365 free trial. Microsoft 365 offers a 1-month free trial, allowing access to premium Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive storage before committing to a subscription. Here's how to activate and cancel your trial. Step 1. Visit the Microsoft 365 free trial page. Go to www.microsoft.com/365. Click Try 1 month free under the Microsoft 365 Family or Microsoft 365 Business section. Step 2. Sign in or create a Microsoft account. If you already have a Microsoft account, sign in. If you don't have an account, click Create one and follow the prompts. Step 3. Choose a plan for the trial. Select the plan you want to try. Microsoft 365, Family up to 6 users. Microsoft 365 Business, for professional use. Click Next to proceed. Step 4. Enter payment information. Microsoft requires a valid credit or debit card or PayPal to start the trial. You will not be charged during the free trial, but Microsoft will automatically charge you if you don't cancel before the trial ends. Step 5. Download and install Microsoft 365. Once your trial is activated, you can download and install Microsoft 365 apps. Use these applications on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android devices. Step 6. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Log in to your Microsoft account at account.microsoft.com/services. Under Microsoft 365, Subscription, select Manage. Click Cancel Subscription to stop automatic billing. By following these steps, you can access Microsoft 365 for free during the trial period and decide if it meets your needs.